This video is going to walk you through how to navigate the comment library whilst you are grading. So the comment library can be imported or exported by anyone who is an instructor or a facilitator and can be shared with the rest of your grading team. If you click into the question 1 comment library, what you'll see is that you have the ability to search for specific comments by typing in this box. And you can search either all of the comments, those will include your personal comments, or just the shared comments that you have created. You can also drag and drop to rearrange the order that the comments appear in your comment library. So if you find that you are using some comments more often, you can push them to the top of your comment library so that they're more easily accessible. What you can also do is if there are individual comments that you decide you would like to either share with your team or remove that access for the rest of your team to use the comment, you can use this toggle beside share with team. So that has now turned off that comment from everybody else's comment library. It will still be accessible for you to use when you're grading. You can also edit the comments here by selecting the pencil. You can also update the points, and when you click save, it will update any instance of those comments. That's really going to save you a huge amount of time. It means that you don't have to go back and individually change those comments. You can also delete a comment by using the rubbish bin or selecting the rubbish bin there. And you'll only be able to delete a comment if there's no instances of that comment. You will see a warning if that comment's been used, and you can drop yourself directly on that booklet to remove the comment before then removing it from your comment library. Within the comment library, you can also add a comment. So remember, you can do this on the fly as you're grading, but you can also create a comment here and select save. Again, you can choose to share that with your team by using that toggle. So that is a quick overview of the comment library and how you can use it for grading.